Hey everyone, this is Mo here. It's Florida and it's a hot day, but it was a good day. This is a day with an ISP, or with a WISP, Wireless Internet Service Provider. We do operate in RV parks. We offer our service to all the clients, either a permanent or passing by. Our service is a month-to-month base, and it is fiber-to-air service. It means it has low latency and a good connection. Now, like we haven't mentioned it here, make sure that to call before you dig and don't use no concrete. We know RV parks, they hate when somebody dig, so we make sure that we don't disturb any infrastructure, either electric or plumbing or cables. Our installs are quick, pain-free, and it can even be done in advance with an arrangement. That way, when the RVers comes in, the internet is there, so they can go ahead and resume their work or their education or whatever they're doing. Some of our installation, they require that we put a pole. Some of them, they don't. So it all depends how far are they from the main transmitters. Our service are month-to-month basics, like I said, and we are authorized to sell the internet, and it doesn't cost the RV management or the RV owners anything for us to operate in their property. While we actually offer free service for them for free, which I don't think anyone else does. We offer IT service for free for the management, and in some situation we offer them free internet. And this is just an appreciation for them allowing us to operate inside the RV parks. So far, as far as I can say, everybody who had our service, they're happy with what they have, because it's just literally direct connection to the fiber. They will have their own router inside. They will have their own Wi-Fi, not shareable with others. We are also always available for any customer support or any payment delays or any other issue related to the business. We are the one to contact. The RV park won't have anything to do with it. If you want to leave, it's just as easy as a phone call and you're good to go. There is no monthly contract, and there is no data cap for our service. This is a family-owned business, so we make sure everyone is happy with our service. It's fast and it's easy. Like I said, there is no contract, so there is no commitment. We understand that RVers moves, so they don't have to be held up to a contract. And yes, we do offer the ACP, the Affordable Connectivity Program, with the government that will save them $30 off. So we are really regulated in this business, and we obey the rules, and we want to make sure that everybody is getting what we advertise. And again, there is no data cap and there is no contract for our service. So the process of the installation is very easy. Once you get to the RV park, or before you even get there, you just give us a call if we service that RV park, because we're not in all of them. But if the RV park has our service, you will have our contact information in their website, or you can have it in the office. You can call us. If you have an ACP program eligibility, we can apply that discount right away from the first month. Once you called us, you usually take 2 to 3 days maximum. Sometimes it's the same days. It depends. If a tech is in the field, you will have that connection the same day. But usually it's 2 to 3 days to get it going. Now, if you have any problem with the service, we have a ticketing system that you can submit a ticket for any error. Somebody will call you back to make sure that the problem is not related to anything that happened inside recently or something, but most of the time our connections are solids, and if something goes with the radio, something goes wrong or you lose connection, we will be notified by our automatic system right away. So actually sometimes we'll fix it before you even know there is a problem. We are local. We operate in Ocala. We operate other in the city of Bronson, but most likely we do the Ocala area because there's a lot of RV parks there. So if you know RV park that in need our service, or RV park that is interested in doing this technology without the digging and the permitting and all those mess that it can happen, or it's been maintained in a daily basis, all the updates, everything is being done by us because we want to make sure to keep ourselves in business. So here I have Anthony helping me out that day. It was only half a day. I was surprised we did 5.5 a day. It was a quick. We also used Mr. Jim Laro that gave it to us 2 years ago. Thank you for the contribution. We did have a good day, even though it was a little hot, but we get the job done. And here we go. Well, thank you everyone. And if you have any RV park that you can suggest to us to provide the clients with the broadband speed and the discount from the government, hey, just give us a call. Phone number is 352-310-1644, or email mo at wvw-wifi.com. The email is again mo at wvw-wifi.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care now.